Oba community in Demili South Council area over the weekend went agog as the traditional ruler of the community, Igwe engineer Augustine Chinedum Emelube, celebrated the Maiden New Yam Festival in a grand style in his palace in Okuzo-Oba. The colorful ceremony commenced with sermon delivered by Venerable Koye, who thanked Igwe for placing God first and urged Oba indigents to hold on to God and work according to his teachings, noting that there is nothing wrong to obey tradition and urged them not to allow their culture to go into extinction. The report.
The event kicked off with a sermon delivered by Reverend Okoye, who emphasized the importance of holding on to God and working according to his teachings, while also urging the community to preserve their cultural heritage. Igwe Emerube, who ascended the throne after 7 years vacancy, highlighted the significance of New Year Festival as an age-long culture aimed at appreciating God for his bumper harvest. Notable attendees include the Onowu of Oba, Chief Sam Boniface Onyeka, the President General of Oba, Engineer Anthony Uzo Ejiofor, and the traditional ruler of Ogidi, Igwe Alex Onyedo, advocated for peaceful coexistence and called for support to enable Igwe Emerube to discharge his responsibilities. Also speaking, the former President General of Oba, Reverend Chris Afam Emelie, praised Igwe Emerube's missions and vision, noting that he has set up over 30 committees to drive progress.
Igwe pụta n'ọba, ọka alụ ọkụ ife n'ọba echenje, obidoluba egwudo.
This year New Year Festival was a carnival of sort that brought together the low and mighty in Oba, featuring cutting and eating of the yam by Igwe Emerube, masquerade display, and homage paying by traditional rulers, friends, community, and associates. From Oba and Festus Obierika for ABS News.